Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, I will show you how to analyze events that have occurred using the event list and CBEMA curve on a dashboard. The event list and CBEMA curve are also available in the report editor. The event list allows you to display all events and transients of a device in a table. Place the corresponding object on the dashboard to do so. Drag it to the desired size. Next, select the device whose events are to be displayed. If necessary, you can filter the list based on the event types and affected phases. Use the text settings to define the appearance of the event list. In some cases, events are highlighted with a red border. These events are known as main events. Main events are events that occur simultaneously in all phases. The duration of events is marked in color. This marking is based on thresholds, whose value and color you can set individually. In addition to the event list, a CBEMA curve is also available for visualizing events. A CBEMA curve uses only voltage events. Select the device whose events are to be displayed. These events can also be filtered based on the phases involved. Use the graph settings to adjust the colors of the visualization. The size which the individual events are displayed can also be defined here. Make sure that the correct nominal voltage is specified for the evaluation. This display allows you to now analyze which of the recorded events are still within the tolerable range. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitzer.de.